to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to check if someone has blocked you on Messenger. So let's dive in. Go to your Messenger, and now let's see if someone has blocked you. What you're going to see is click on the person. Now we have different method. Oh, see, this person is of unavailable on Messenger. Automatically, if that means this person has blocked you. You can see this person is unavailable on Messenger. Immediately you will not see that person on your Messenger. So that means this person has automatically block you. You will not be able to receive messages. You will not be able to receive anything. And this is a message that will pop up on your screen immediately you click on that person's profile that they are not unavailable on Messenger. You may be thinking maybe they didn't have Messenger, or they did not activate the Messenger, but oh no, they have blocked you on Messenger. So let's see if this person has blocked you on your Facebook too. Maybe you have them on your Facebook. Let's go and check if this person has blocked you on Facebook. So let's dive into our Facebook. We're going to search our Facebook and search for that name if we are able to see the person here now. Sorry guys, okay, so I'm going to check now. This is it. This is it. Let me go and set up if that person is blocking on my Facebook too. This is the person. Okay, not everyone can message this account. You can see this person has blocking as my messenger. So let me check if you're able to see anything about the person. Let me check the person here. Okay, let me search for that person now. Okay. Okay guys, let me check for that person. Okay, let me search for my friends. I think I have the person on my friends. Let me check if the person has blocked me on his Facebook too. Okay, sorry guys, don't mind my typing. Rashid. Okay guys, you can see I've not even saw the person yet. So wow. I can't even find the person on my Facebook too. Wow, I don't even find the person on my Facebook. So that means if the person blocked me on his Telegram, automatically Facebook too has kicked me out. So guys, that's how you check if someone has blocked you. Once you open the profile on your messenger and this message pop out, the person is unavailable on your messenger, this down here, that means the person has blocked you. So guys, if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment.